How to import your wallet into Trust Wallet. Now, importing wallet into Trust Wallet means that you are just trying to log in by importing your old wallet. Normally you can do this with a secret phrase or a Swift backup if you have. So open up the Trust Wallet app, and here you can see add existing wallet, that is import, restore or view only. So depending on what you want to do, tap on add existing wallet. Now depending upon where you have backed up, if you have written down a secret phrase somewhere, you can go there and simply select your network right here and enter the secret phrase of your Trust Wallet account and tap on restore wallet. Similarly, if you have backed them up using other methods like Swift backup, you can use a Face ID or fingerprint to restore them. Similarly, if you had backed them up to Google Drive, you can choose one of your Google accounts where you backed up your Trust Wallet, and then you'll be able to restore them, and you can also view the wallet as well. And this way you'll be able to import your wallet into Trust Wallet. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.